Hari Om, dear children and my dear parents. Today happens to be the very auspicious occasion of Mahashivaratri, that is on 11th of March. This happens to be one of the most awaited Hindu festivals. Shivaratri is celebrated across the globe, but particularly in India and Nepal. Lord Shiva is considered to be the father of the universe. He is the most divine among all the gods, also known as Mahadev, the greatest god. Worshipping Lord Shiva brings prosperity, health, wealth, and calmness to the mind. Shivaratri is celebrated throughout the globe on the new moon day in the Hindu month of Magha, and that is today. Children, let us first take the name of Lord Shiva, the sacred Om Namah Shivaya. Thereafter, we will discuss what we need to do today and how to celebrate. I shall guide you. शम्भो महादेव देव शिव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव शिव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव फालाभनम्रत्किरीटं फालनेत्रार्चिस दग्धपञ्चेषु कीटं शूलाहतारातिकूटं शुद्धमर्धेन्दुचूडं भजे मार्गबन्धुम् शम्भो महादेव देव शिव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव अङ्गे विराजत् भुजङ्गम् अव्रगङ्गातरङ्गभिरामोत्तमाङ्गम् ओङ्कारवाटीकुरङ्गम् सिद्धसंसेविताङ्घ्रि भजे मार्गबन्धुम् शम्भो महादेव देव शिव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव नित्यं चिदानन्दरूपं निह्नुताशेषलोकेश वैरीप्रतापम् कार्तस्वरागेन्द्रचापं कृत्तिवासं भजे दिव्य सन्मार्गबन्धुं शम्भो महादेव देव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव कन्दर्पदर्पघ्नमीशं कालकण्ठं महेशं महाव्योमकेशम् कुन्दाभदन्तं सुरेशं कोटिसूर्यप्रकाशं भजे मार्गबन्धुं कोटिसूर्यप्रकाशं भजे मार्गबन्धुं शम्भो महादेव देव मन्दारभूतेरुदारम् मन्थरागेन्द्रसारं महागौर्यदूरम् सिन्धूरदूरप्रचारम् सिन्धु राजातिधीरं भजे मार्गबन्धुं शम्भो महादेव देव शिव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव देव शम्भो महादेव देवेश शम्भो शम्भो महादेव देव Om Namah Shivaya. Children, Lord Shiva is also known to be Ashutosh or Bholenath. Ashutosh means that Lord who becomes satisfied and happy by the devotion of the devotee very soon. That's why Ashutosh. He blesses us very soon. And Bholenath, he is very innocent. He is innocent God. So hence, children, people worship Lord Shiva for he is Ashutosh and Bholenath. Shiva is that energy that drives all of us. The energy which is there because of which we are living, we are talking, we are breathing. So that energy which is there, which is driving us, that is Shiva Tattva, that is the Shakti, that is the energy, and that is Shiva. It not only makes us breathe and live a life, it is also that energy within the non-living things as their energy to make them exist. Thus, Shiva drives existence. Shiva is our Astitva. In the daily life of hustle and bustle, we forget the source of our own energy, children, that which is running us, because of which we are living. Mahashivaratri is the festival to remember and to take our awareness to the basis of our own existence, that is the Shiva in all of us. It is the occasion to honor life and celebrate our existence. We spend the day generally in prayer, meditation, and celebration. We observe fasting, do meditation on this day, chant the great Shiva Panchakshari mantra, that is Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So here the Panchakshara is there, and we take the name of this mantra, we chant, and we take the name of Lord Shiva and celebrate Mahashivaratri. Children, why do we fast? Fasting detoxifies our body and keeps our mind absolutely calm. So, with such absolute calm mind after meditation, on this auspicious occasion, we celebrate this day and we become nearer to the Lord, that is Lord Shiva. The 5 letters Na, Ma, Shi, Va, Ya. These indicate the 5 elements, children, that is earth, water, fire, air, and ether. Where there is peace, love, and harmony in all these five elements, then there is absolute bliss and joy. So, for that reason, when we take this name, we chant this Panchakshari mantra, there is harmony and we gain the bliss and joy from the Lord Himself. Lord gives us His blessings on this day. So, to get the absolute bliss and joy, we celebrate this occasion. Children, today you are all going to celebrate Lord Shiva. Many people they go to the temple. This year we cannot go to the temple to put the diyas and sit there and do due to corona, which is continuing till today, children. So hence, what we also do is at home you can prepare a nice puja place, arrange it nicely, children. Take your bath, clean yourself, arrange a nice beautiful puja thali with a beautiful lamb and bilwa patra or bela patra that is very favorite to Lord Shiva, and take some flowers and then take 108 names. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So, like this, you take 108 times, take the Lord Shiva's name, and you offer Bela Patra. And while offering, don't touch this finger. This finger, why, children? This is Ahankara. We say like this, so don't touch it. Take the flower, touch in your heart, and after that, offer that to the Lord 108 times. And you know Shiva bhajans. भोले बाबा को अनाड़ी mat samjho. We have taught many bhajans. So whatever bhajans you know, you sing. And then after that you take prasad and tell your mother to prepare prasad. And then children, after doing prasad, you can take a beautiful white paper and red pen. Write 108 times Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. While writing, chant also. So, what will happen? Your mind will be there in Lord Shiva. Do Shiva Aradhana. He is the source of our energy. So, thus you can celebrate at home. After that, you may not go to temple, but nowadays in television, many such programs and bhajans, talks, all are coming. So, you can spend some time. There is nothing better than worshipping the Divine Father, one who has given us our parents, our house. So, He has only blessed children. You have not chosen this. So it is His grace, and let us all pray together that how quickly this corona will be removed and once again everything will be normal and you can come to school. Just remember, children, last year from 13th March, lockdown started. It is now 1 year. You have not come to school. So we wish how quickly God removes the darkness from our life and everything becomes fine. So let us celebrate Mahashivaratri today. And in the night again, it is a celebration during night, children. So night again you sit and then chant and sing bhajans and make your family sit with you and celebrate it. God bless you, children. Let Lord Shiva bless all my children. Hari Om. Hari Om to all my parents. Thank you.